March 6, 2026. At approximately 8:33 a.m., at a demolition site located in Yuseong-gu, Daejeon, a worker in his 60s, while performing demolition work using an excavator, he was struck when the crusher attached to the excavator detached. He died. August 8, 2024, at a sewer pipeline maintenance site in Gangbuk-gu, Seoul, killed after being struck by a falling excavator bucket.
When using attachments such as a crusher on an excavator, the safety pin and secure fastening must be checked before work. During excavator operations, it is safe for workers to assist nearby around the equipment. When an excavator attachment is lifting heavy loads or performing work, workers must never go underneath it. Working under an excavator is strictly prohibited. Safety begins with following safety rules.